A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to check your bill on the TIM app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TIM app. Launch the TIM app on your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the app to function properly. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your credentials to log in. If you haven't registered yet, you may need to create an account first. Step 3. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, look for the Billing or My Bill section in the main menu. This is where you can view your current bill details. Step 4. View your bill details. Tap on the billing section to see your current bill. You should be able to see the total amount due, due date, and any additional charges. Step 5. Check for notifications. Look for any notifications related to your bill, such as payment reminders or special offers. Sometimes there are discounts available if you pay early. Remember, if you ever have trouble logging in, double check your username and password for typos. Happy billing!